Automation business models. Let me take you back to a conversation I had with a freelancer named Zain. He had just built an amazing automation for a dentist, a full blowing flow, a full booking flow on go high level. The client was thrilled, paid in $3,000, and that was it. No retainer, no ongoing revenue, just a one time win. And Zain, he was right back to square one, chasing his next project. So, have you ever delivered something powerful but couldn't figure out how to turn it into a recurring income? So, that's the trap most automation experts fall into. You become the tech magician behind the curtain, pulling off miracles, but no one teaches you how to turn that skill into a predictable, scalable income generating business. You build once, get paid once, and then hustle again. That's not a business, that is a treadmill. Now imagine this. Instead of $3,000 one and done's, what if you offered a $497 per month support and optimization plan? Quarterly audits at $750, AI updates and reporting for $250 per month, or better yet, a bundled automation plan at $1,497 per month for 6 months. You turn that same $3,000 client into a $10,000 to $25,000 client. And once your systems and packages are dialed in, you're not chasing leads. You are closing pre-qualified high LTV clients. And in this lesson, I'll walk you through 4 automation business models. I'll show you how to use free audits to open the door, how to position ongoing support, and how to go from $3,000 setups to a $200,000 per year consulting machine. Okay, so let's get started. Business model number 1. That is the one-time setup model. Simple. You build a funnel or automation, charge a flat fee, and done. Great for beginners, but has a low ceiling. Risk: no long-term client relationships or compounding revenue. For example, $1,500 for building a sales funnel with lead nurturing flow. Number 2 is retainer or a subscription model. Monthly support, updates, reporting, optimization. It offers peace of mind to the client and you become their automation as a service provider. Ideal offers to bundle could be automation monitoring, AI updates or prompt maintenance, quarterly reporting dashboards, CRM updates, and cleanup. You can start with a 90-day retainer trial, position it as a performance enhancement package. Next is the free audit to a paid implementation funnel. So this is your client acquisition coal mine. Here is how it works. You offer a free AI automation audit. They record a 10-minute Loom video pointing out missed automations, broken workflows, manual tasks, wasting money. You pitch a paid implementation, $2,000 to $10,000 plus, with optional support plans. Now, this funnel works beautifully for real estate, coaches, service businesses, and agencies. Next one is performance based or the equity deals. Only go here once you're confident in your skills. You automate lead flow or sales, track KPIs and performance, take a percentage of revenue or equity. So one of our students automated WhatsApp lead qualification for a dental clinic, and instead of charging $2,000, he negotiated 5% of each closed deal. Now that one client earned him over $50,000 in 12 months. Okay, step 2 is to add layers, upsells, cross-sells, and recurring offers. Think like McDonald's. You built a burger, the automation. Now upsell the fries and drink. The add-ons you can sell: WhatsApp AI agents, lead source tracking dashboards, AI generated email nurtures, employee onboarding automation, and SOP documentation. Huge value. Next is packaging your services like a pro. Most automators undercharge. Why? Because they sell hours and not the outcomes. So let's change that. Create 3 packages: starter, growth, and scale. Starter, 1 funnel plus 1 month support, 1,497. Growth, funnel plus CRM plus 3 months support, 3,997. And scale, full stack automation plus AI plus 6 months support, 7,497. You can use AI to create proposal templates for each, and I'll drop one in your download kit. Step 4 is case study from $3,000 to $200,000. Meet Arav. He started by building automations on Fiverr, charging $300 to $500 per gig. After this exact lesson, he structured his offer: $4,500 for implementation, $750 per month for optimization plan, AI dashboard plus reporting for $250 per month, and quarterly strategy calls $497 each. He secured 5 clients using the free audit funnel and now earns over $17,000 per month on retainer. With minimal churn, he didn't change his skills, he just changed his model. So, some of the common mistakes and fixes. Mistake number 1: selling features and not the outcomes. Always lead with ROI, time saved, or conversions. Mistake number 2: charging hourly. Fix: create value based packages. Mistake number 3: no system for leads. Fix: use free audit funnel with Loom plus AI script. Mistake number 4: offering everything to everyone. Pick 1 to 2 industries, real estate plus dental, and go deep. Now pause and practice. Design your automation service packages. Download the worksheet titled My Automation Offer Suite, which includes package pricing calculator, offer positioning prompts, upsell checklist, and the proposal script template. Create your 3 automation offer, name them, price them, and outline what's included. Hit pause, take 10 minutes, and then come back. So, don't just build automation, build a business around it. You now have 4 business models to choose from. You have seen real world numbers and a roadmap to scale. You have the tools and templates to package your genius. So, choose your preferred model: starter, retainer, equity. Set up your free audit funnel. Create your 3-tier packages using the worksheet. Record 1 Loom audit for a real client or test lead. Practice delivering a $5,000 plus proposal using our AI generated script. So, this is in theory. People just like you have gone from $500 side gigs to $200,000 plus in automation business with nothing but a laptop and a clear offer. So, if you have got the skills to automate, you have got the skills to scale. But the money isn't in building, it's in packaging, positioning, and recurring relationships. So, let's go from freelancer to founder to full blown automation CEO.